As you know, the SME segment in India is probably the largest manufacturing ecosystem, and the number of SME companies in India would be in thousands. Now, they are slightly slow adapters to technology. Nonetheless, they are very important cogs in the wheel when it comes to implementation of this technology once they've adopted it. So we have been coming out with some innovative solutions. When I say we, it's the entire industry, not just as a company. And the SME segment has been adopting these from time to time to suit their requirements. What is also happening along with this Make in India campaign is that the vistas have broadened, and the SME segment, as well as the entire manufacturing ecosystem, whether it's large companies or small companies, now have the opportunity to not just make in India, but make out of India as well, and then sell it out, export it. Which means that the processes need to be made more efficient, made more friendly in terms of business process, and so there are technologies that have come out in the recent past that marry marry machining along with inspection, and that's probably one good thing that is happening that would change the way manufacturing actually happens on the ground. So this is some sort of a trend that is going to come off in the next few. It's already there, but it's going to come out more strongly, and it would affect positively in the way the SME segment treats manufacturing or machining as such. With regards to adoption of new technology is trained manpower, and that's always been a challenge because there's a big gap between what the industry demands and what the industry gets in terms of talent. And that is one of the biggest reasons why they are slow adapters of technology. It's not because of lack of money or lack of intent. It's because of lack of the entire ecosystem that exists around it. Having said that, I'm seeing a sea change in the way people approach this whole concept of adopting new technology to do innovative stuff. We are entering a phase as a country where we are not only doing generic die mold or automotive, we are moving into high advanced manufacturing sectors like aerospace and energy, which are a whole new ball game, and people are upping their ante in terms of skill as well as assets to enhance their working capabilities. So one of the concepts that works very well in this segment is the marrying together of the machining and inspection softwares, which allows people to do the entire setup of machining in one at one go, rather than do these operations separately or individually. I do think that there is nothing that the SME segment lacks today, whether it's the investment potential, whether it's the manpower, whether it's the intent, whether it's the market reach. So there's nothing that they lack in terms of resources. And I think with the new Make in India campaign, their vistas are going to broaden, their reach is going to broaden, and I'm sure the SME segment will prove to be a game changer in the Indian manufacturing sector.